So you have made your big long form video ready. How do you convert that to a short videos for YouTube short? I'm going to show you that how to do that in this tutorial. Okay, for example, this is what I have. This is a long form, okay? Okay, this 22 minutes, 18 minutes, very long. Before I do this editing, I know that I gotta convert this to a shorter video at some time in the future. Okay, so what I did was I put a break, okay, a title break in between the clips. So right there, I have preset, okay, another break somewhere here. Okay, so I break it up to shorter bits when I do my editing, so I know how to do shorter form. So I don't go out and do the whole full edit again. I just go to whatever I want to edit out, okay, and do another edits. Okay, let me show you. That is your tip number one there. When you do your long form edits, okay, make sure you have a title break or something for you to remember. Put in a marker, could be your way as well. Okay, put in your marker, say for short, okay, for short, okay, title that, okay, red or something like that, so you know, hey, at that point we're going to do a short, so you know you can come back to it and say, hey, this is where I'll do my cutting for short, something like that. Okay, but for me, I personally have a title break, and also with this, right, since our long form we need to have a chapter as well. Okay, so with this, right, I just use that, go straight to here to see it as a chapter. Okay, so 9:28 seconds, I'm gonna have a chapter of preset title, something like that. Okay, so it's easy for me to scroll through and go to that part and make a chapter title. Okay, so that's another tip for you. Go back to your project menu. Okay, make sure you do a copy of the original. Okay, number one thing, do a copy. Don't do and destroy your timeline. Okay, that's my original. Make a copy. What's on right here? Okay, duplicate your project. Okay, right now I have 4 projects going. Okay, but doesn't matter. Okay, now it's a duplicate. I don't edit on the original. Okay, never edit on the original when you do your short form, convert to the short form. Okay, double tap on that. Now I'll just pick some random, random stuff. Okay, go here. Okay, change color of clip. Okay, that's where I'm gonna start to do my edits. Okay, now what you want to do is select it first, but you want to use the multi-select tools. Okay, turn on the multi-select tool down here, go to the question mark, the tick mark, and go there, delete. Okay, and you go to wherever you have your marker as your title. So that's beginning of the next marker. I go here, the one next to it, and I go all the way to the end. Right here, just select all the one in the middle. I just press delete, and it will take me to the clip that I want to edit out as for a YouTube short. Okay, so delete that as well. Now with YouTube short, right, it's gonna be under 60 seconds and gonna be vertical content only. First thing you want to do before you do editing, because we have some animation right here as well, right? So that's gonna affect us. So we have to redo our animation right here. Our clip is longer than 60 seconds. Okay, it's around 75 seconds. So what first thing you want to do is convert this timeline to a vertical. Okay, go to your question mark, go to your settings, tap on it, the aspect ratio right here. turn it back to portrait. Okay, 9 by 16. Boom. And right now you have a portrait, so that will top up everything. Okay, so I don't want to do the title. Now basically, what you do here is you just do your normal edits, okay? Do your normal edits, so make sure it's less than 60 seconds, okay? And you're good to go. So that's how you cut from your big piece to a small piece. You use the multi-select tools and you press delete. Duplicate your project first, go to the clip that you want to edit, okay, and delete the rest. Now let me show you my finished product. So this one right here. Okay, I have converted down to 57 seconds. Okay, another clip, but it's all vertical content. Okay, from the same clip, and I have converted to a vertical content. Okay, some of editing you have to. So look at here, right? I have, since it's vertical, right? You have to do your big monitor as since it is vertical, right? We have to play around with our orientation with different, not different, but more creative way of editing. So we don't want to use just like our original clip, 16 by 9, and make it into a middle of the clip like that, right? It's no fun. People watching on your phone, they want to use the full width of their phone, right? They usually watch like that, vertical. So you want like maybe 2 to 3 clips, A roll and B roll, full screen on the screen like that, okay, for people. And you have to use a lot of zooming, a lot of zooming, okay, zoom in, zoom out like that. So, but with LumaFusion it's really fast, right? So it doesn't take you that long to do it, okay? It's finished all my edits, and I have basically 3 timeline, 3 video clips to make into a vertical. You can do 2, but I'll do 3 just to convey the message easier. So they can have a full screen on the iPhone, on the Android devices. Yeah, so that's how you do it. When you happy with the stuff that you've done, you just do your normal exporting, okay? So with my export, movie, photos, okay, similar process, but don't go to ultra, go to web. We want to save space because this is not the best kind of looking, so we go to web, okay? People want to watch this on their phone, so there's no point of going to the highest resolution that we can have. We just go the most economically we can do, okay, which is the web. But LumaFusion has built-in ready, okay. So 62K, that's fine. Okay, the smallest, but we say web here, just 8 megabits per second. That's both what we want. And if you want done, click on the plus button and you're done. Let me show you to my file. Okay, I have a lot of clips here, vertical content. Okay, it's my time lapse. Okay, you probably see some of that stuff right now already. Okay, I'll convert my time lapse to a vertical content. I have to use 2. My name is Trevor Chow. I hope that's useful for you, and please consider subscribing to my channel and keep this relationship going. I help you to become an editor, shooter, and anything else, okay? I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.